first snow of a new year. For all the people that hate snow, enjoy this video. That's all I gotta say to you. I have the radio turned down, and it's normally turned to FM 94. A good buddy of mine works up there. He's up there normally all the time. I don't know if he's up there right now, because, you know, kind of got in a car a little while ago and whatnot. So, his name is Henry Thomas. If you're around the listening area. Tune it in and check out the weather forecast and whatnot provided by WCYB TV5 in Bristol, Tennessee. My original hometown. Right now I'm in I'm at Marion, Virginia, where I live, grew up, chilled, kicked it with friends and whatnot. I don't know if you can hear me or not due to the heater, but you can. Pretty cool. First snow of 2013. Just a couple days ago, it was like 60 degrees in this place. Now it's like winter. Who can say that they had summer and winter in the same month? I can. Happy's Restaurant is right up there. You can see the building with the yellow little thingy there. It's I went there a few times when I was younger. It's shut down now. I don't know the reason or anything, but it was a cool place to chill and eat. We did have a bowling alley, but it closed down. I have no idea why. Probably because of repair problems. I have no clue. Yeah, it's kind of dangerous driving and holding the camera or whatnot. But you know what? It's safe for me, man. I've done it before. I drove all the way from Rhode Island to Massachusetts in a blizzard. About major snow problems. This is without no brakes, I might add. No brakes whatsoever. But you know what? It's not about how you panic. It's not about how you drive. It's about how calm you are. Don't be crazy and do something like that. Not in the middle of the road.